Looks like they're having a wedding next door. All taking pictures. I think that's probably the bride in the middle there with their hand up. Look at the little girl over there. They're all taking pictures. Yeah, look at the little girl. Oh, she's so cute. And we just came back from running Shelby. Thought maybe, hopefully you can see the rainbow. Oh, it's so pretty with the sunlight on the surf. Really had kind of a storm come rumbling through, and just a gorgeous evening. Sitting out here looking at the rainbow. We had good waves almost all week. It's been a lot of fun. Now it's supposed to get warmer for the rest of the week. Now here's the other end of the rainbow. Oh, it is so pretty. I don't know if you can... Oops, I guess that focused. Just gorgeous evening. Alright, one last videotape. The sky is so pretty. Just had to catch that, the remnants of the rainbow up there. And there's Shelby. Shelby! Yeah, Shelby, say hi! You can tell she's been down at Garden City chasing tennis balls on the beach. A wet puppy.
Place to stand. So we took, this time 2 chapters, and these 3 chapters. But
we're getting ready to go to the Axe wedding here.
Well, we got back late.
We are June 28th, down here for the weekend, so our house is definitely making progress, as you can see. It looks like we hope they're creating kind of marshland and stuff.
Did you hear me say stuff? I know you don't listen.
We graduated from a forest of 2x4s. We now have windows. And
but
gonna be the master bedroom back there.
No comment.
Take a quick look out this way. Our fireplace. That'll be our view out back.
here we are. It's retirement party for everybody.
Oh my goodness, more good.
And we have a few things to open. Open up all his presents. Keisha's going to help. And of course, Casey had a good time with the tennis balls. The guys all went golfing. And we girls went down a little bit to see some of the beach area. Had a good time.
That would be perfect for that.
Oh my gosh, birds and oh my gosh. I'm gonna read these on the way
And
home.
after dinner, it's late. 9:30 dinner reservation. And it rained 4 times on the guys while they were golfing. But they didn't have too much competition. Talk to you soon.
And hit the golf course whenever you want. It's kind of like being in management. Right. Except for the 16-hour workday. Warmest wishes for the success in the chapter of your life. You're kind of like being in management.
It had, part of it was pre-programmed, and then I added some verse to it.
Was it like you did it from your home, or did you guys
Yeah,
do it
at
at home?
home.
Or just,
No, I just did it from home.
There you go. You can leave it overboard. I mean, this is just fabulous.
Looks like checks in the mail.
Yeah.
All these things that he brought.
Oh, No.
That's perfect.
This is
I've like
great.
like every day the past week. So
Yeah, we live at Home Depot. This is a, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sure you didn't lose any balls today.
I found one of those a few weeks ago and tried it, and I just fell in love with the ball.
Oh, is that right?
It's a Titleist Solo.
Oh, this is the soft cover? Or the
Yeah, it's a soft sirloin. It's a wonder.
Okay, your brother's retiring, and now it's Dad's turn to retire, right? Okay. So Jane wrote a poem, so I have a poem.
Oh, yeah.
Mute the, hang on a second.
Or just turn it off to the sing video.
Here.
Or just mute it.
Okay. Alright, this is really cheesy, but I'm not as creative as Jane. This is me. To my home, retired as far as I can. To Rob, who's just begun. To enjoy life's finest pleasures, such as landscaping all of those treasures. A green thumb, a strong back, a creative mind is what it will take to turn sand and dirt into one of a kind. Oh yeah. Gardens, lawns, and entertainment places will fill up that backyard with all of its spaces. I will surely support him like any good wife, for it will too will be my home for the rest of my life. So raise your glass and give a toast to Rob, who is now the most generous.
Cheers, cheers.
Never really been a half person. Here's that.
No, it's not that.
This is our Governor's House Hotel where we stayed. Had some really nice rooms. And now we're going to head toward the White House. Mom and I did the White House tour. The Y, where we had 7 floors of workout facility there. We went over last night with Melissa. Here we are at the Capitol building.
Our umbrella's really cool. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we nearly lost our umbrellas.
Sorry, you always do that to me once. Say sorry.
Why didn't you let me know so I won't?
And there you can see they're getting ready for the 4th of July celebration. Here in the National Aeronautic and Space Museum. Saw a lot of the lunar lander. Incredible what's in here. View of the Washington Monument. We just saw a folk dance exhibit. We walk along here. Appears to be the castle of the Smithsonian. Washington Monument. Beautiful flags there. Lincoln Memorial. They're refinishing the top of the executive office building up there. Maybe the next time we're here, it'll be done. Well, we made it up to Pawpack. Took Kirk and Allison a little while to get up here. Took us a long time to get up too. We got stuck on the turnpike.
Barney didn't bring it down.
Well, the name restriction.
Oh, there's something. John Watson stepping in.
I have two issues. One issue is there's no proof.
I know I'm talking too much, but I'm gonna go.
Get that on tape.
Well, we got you on tape, Hank, so that's good.
Is
We are at the Rain Tree Restaurant, having a nice dinner. Diana's going to have antelope.
Get the antelope yet. I guess you don't show them that room.
Dick, I might have a splash of that wine. See that giraffe?
Kirk giving us his studious look here.
I should have gotten that.
Put it out there. Thank you kindly.
Yeah,
What have you got in that glass?
wonderful day today.
Community Club and Water.
Do you want me to pour it?
Weather's just been fantastic.
You know, great guy. Really great one. We really did.
Mom and Dad's new place in Abington House. There's the entrance where they used to go into dinner. And up there, you'll see the library, and this is the entrance. Here's their library. Huge library.
Alice? Is that Alice? Oh, yeah, why did I say, I meant
You can see the main entrance.
I gave
there.
your note to Edwina. So we had a long little meeting just now.
Break area. Refrigerator.
That's over here.
Automatic doors in front of the Abington House are not working.
This is their entrance. Sure. 81.
Paint, we'll have about 5 smaller paintings, but
Nice
that big
little
one, because it's so, I just thought.
refrigerator. Sink.
And you have that little
It's all the desk.
drop-in table there.
Yeah.
They managed to get their
And
piano
that's
in.
for the phone, there's a phone there.
Their TV. Nice little table for the TV.
Over there.
No, Mother, that has to sit right there.
There's Dad's bureau.
See the phone sits
And then there's the bureau. Mom's bureau. Storage is underneath there. And then they have a nice closet. Wonderful closet.
Yeah, we
back here.
packed it up. Rob and Diana may want the china. The royal all covered. And then we cleared out the whole corner cupboard.
Then there,
Do you know how long that took Rob and me to do that? It took us 2 hours, Rob and me, to clean out the corner cupboard.
it's a great shower. They can sit. So that's the tour. Here's their little porch. They're very nice. They're able to sit out here, look down, hear the running water.
I would like a few more passion for it.
Okay.
Well, except you're not going to be cooking here.
No, we're not gonna be cooking here.
You don't do any cooking.
No,
Yeah.
You're not gonna be cooking either.
You
No.
don't do any serving.
no cooking.
Well, you're not gonna be serving much here, but
It's July.
View of Yosemite Valley. We had a great flight in, got in about 25 minutes early. Picked up our Lincoln Town Car, which has been great. We've been driving most of the day. It's very dry out here. Driving up Route 5, coming up from LA. So we're about to enter into Yosemite Valley. Almost unbelievable view of Yosemite Valley here. Valley of Ice. closer view of Bridalveil Falls. Oh man. See the last bits of the sun. Beautiful stream down here too. Sunday evening, and we just had a great day. We hiked up to the Mist Trail up to the top of Vernal Falls, I believe it's called. 1,000 feet up. I think it's about 1.5 miles or two, couple mile trail up and back. It was quite a hike. And, it was hot the first half and then cool and misty. We have some pictures we can show you from there, but there's Half Dome, and there should be North Dome. And we walked out to the Yosemite Hotel and saw both those domes on the way. I'm sorry, we rode our bikes out there. A great bicycle ride. It's a beautiful hotel. Some place to come back to. Here we have climbers going up here.
Nick, still can't find
I
that.
think this is El Capitan.
So would you say they're not quite half up?
It don't look like it. Yeah.
That's how tiring that would be.
Where they pop out of Vernal Falls.
Beautiful view in the evening.
Down Vernal Falls. That's what the guy told me. It's ski garden.
Hey, the moon's out.
Yeah, the other guy?
We made it to San Francisco. Here's Union Square. St. Francis. Saxford Avenue. Here we are inside Neiman Marcus. There's the girl shopping here. Also checking out the over here in Gumps. Particularly like this frame with the bench underneath it. Fairly easy to design and build. It's beautiful. Oh, the clock down the end just chimed 5, and we're here in Cocker Galleria. This is designed after the Cocker Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II in Milan, Italy. You can see the, as Kristen pointed out, topiary. There's a guy, and he's got a kite. There's the kite, and there's the tail of the kite. Here are the girls posing in front of Coit Tower. We just had a great walk through Chinatown and then North Beach. There's Coit Tower. And here is the Cathedral of St. Peter and Paul. It's beautiful. Tell you, once the sun went down, it has turned cool. Our sweatshirts feel really good. Great view of San Francisco at night. Fairly long line here, but it looks like we'll just have about a 20-minute wait to ride the car back to our motel. All right, here we are. We just had breakfast, sort of. Muffins and coffee. So we're getting ready to go ride cable cars. This is the little TV room. I don't think we're going to make any of the shows. We're off. There's the battle royale going on out here. These two guys have been going at it for... water. Oh, here it comes back up again.
Oh, he's really hiding it. He's got a brain into him. Let go.
Nasty.
Let's go. Where do you
Tough battle.
I think he's gonna wait until.
Just getting a close-up shot.
Flattering things.
Our lunch in North Beach.
We're all having pasta and Italian food. As you can see, it's a very beautiful day. That never gets to be on camera, so we'll just focus on this. Right. Don't give it up, Dad. This is us.
Here we are. The Adventure Cat. Get you a nice view of San Francisco there. Wow. A nice shot of Alcatraz here. There we are, coming up on the Golden Gate. And it disappears into the fog. Here we are, going under the Golden Gate. And here we go into the fog.
Oh my God.
That is really neat. It just keeps disappearing and reappearing. Listen to the foghorns.
Hello. We are at Buena Vista in San Francisco. Apparently it's a famous bar where when a man loves a woman, no, not that one, or a man loves a woman, we're not quite sure, but some famous movie was filmed here. So, they're famous for Irish coffee, and Mom and Dad got Irish coffee. And Alyssa got a margarita, and I got a beer. And let's look around. Johnny. Oh, it's kind of neat. You know, we just got off the cruise, which you saw last about. And they're telling me to cut it off. So, okay. We're having fun. We're partying crew. Okay, all right. Talk to you later.
Well, we've left San Francisco. Just had a little bit of an upset stomach this morning, but we're on our way, and it's one of the pretty beaches along the way. Route 1. Same locale down here. There's no climbing or basically not permitted to go down at all. Here at Pigeon Point Lighthouse. There's also a hostel here, apparently. Shared overnight accommodations for everyone. Went back and get the video camera, which I forgot. Oh yeah, we'll have to. We're here at Monterey Bay. Have to catch everybody's meal here. Oh my goodness, look at the size of, oh, look at all that calamari. It goes to Sailboats are nearly tipping over out there. And the wind really comes in.
That's right. That's right. But when
A little otter out in the water. It's a sea otter. Looks like he's having fun. Probably eating a shell he caught. We're now on a 17-mile drive. It's quite a sight with the low clouds to the sun. Just about to, well, not set for a little while. It's getting there. We are at Bird Rock in Here are the seals and sea lions off in the distance. There's the sun actually setting. We stayed at the Carmel River Inn. That's where the cottages are down below down there. I think that's the largest one down there. Sorry about that. And they go on further down. We had king bed for their adjoining rooms, 57, 58. Here we are at Point Lobos. Didn't have much time here, but there's the white chocolate out on the rocks. You can see the sea lions down there. Or south of Pfeiffer, Big Sur. It's a great time horseback riding at Andrew Molina State Park. Hour-long ride, and took us out onto the beach for about 15 minutes. Trying to figure out what's going on down there. There must be seal, somebody that's got. There's a lot of there's a lot of fish down there, I think. I bet you it's just a group of fish. It's so pretty there. There's also, I don't know if we'll be able to see this with a lens, but we've been seeing some like puffs of mist out there. Wonder if maybe it's like a killer whale or a whale of some sort out there surfacing. It's probably pretty hard to see with the video camera. This is Harmony Cellars, where we had our wine tasting. They don't grow grapes here. They're grown in Paso Robles, which is just about 20 miles further east. But we're sitting out on the patio. There's the view from the winery, going down toward Route 1. It's a nice little shop. Mom bought a clock for our kitchen in there. Here we are, sitting under this little arbor, enjoying our bottle of wine. We're in Cambria. The wind is unbelievable. Melissa just commented that, oh, there's a lot of cars here, but all the people are sitting in their cars. Very pretty, but pretty cold and windy. So we're going to spend the night in Cambria and the Hearst Castle tomorrow. So you definitely know where we are now, the Hearst Castle.
But I tend to like to just kind of float around and look at the place. You know, it's kind of nice to enjoy it. Feel like what his guests would have felt like.
Casa Grande.
Decision to release some of the zoo animals out of their cages because the fire was getting close to their enclosures. Some of the animals they let out were wild capers. Fireplace at the foot of the bed. So Julia Morgan has the fireplace where he told her to put it, and the window is where the fireplace is now. And then Mr. Hearst announces to Julia Morgan, I'm going to go north and south. Well, George Hearst does that mining. He thinks his son may take over the mining businesses, but Willie, while he's off at Harvard, gets involved in the land. He decides that's what he wants to do. He comes back from on the balcony, looked over. You see the lily pond of Galatea, the center courtyard of the house. So we're facing due west. We were facing due east in the Doge Suite. Now we've made a circle with west.
His bedroom on the third floor.
Yeah. All those things add up. In the room, we do have some oil paintings and some photographs. Far side of the bed, this is Phoebe. At the top of the room, at the top of the bookcases. Julia Morgan tells Mr. Hearst, well, in all your shopping, you have bought these great cloister windows, and they're down in the warehouse at the base of the hill. I'd like to bring them up and put them on top of the bookcase. 1828, when Mr. Hearst makes the announcement to Julia Morgan to do this floor. This is a screened-in concrete floor, sleek.
The alcove.
What looks like a bridge in the middle is actually a 3-meter diving platform to dive into the blue wall.
Now we're here in Santa Barbara. It's just the sun just went down, or is just going down. That's the pier out there, where we had a great dinner at the brew house, we think was the name of it. Finished off with a peanut butter cream pie with chocolate, some great beer, sampled beers and everything. Just had a great time. We're actually facing east, going that way. Could be California without seeing Woody, right? It's a nice day. There's all the boats. My gosh, unbelievable number of boats. We saw a huge catamaran coming in too this evening. Well, we're in Oxnard. This is the Casa Serena Resort. Obviously down at the marina, Casa Serena Marina. Beautiful marina. A nice place to walk around. We're headed out for breakfast on our way to Redondo Beach. Well, unfortunately, it's Saturday night. We're in the Palos Verdes region. It's absolutely stunning. You can see the houses up on the hill. It's just beautiful. Those places up there. You're gonna see a great sunset here too.
Third.
You got third kitchen, just mid-August. It's pretty well completed, except for, as you can tell, the back